The Hykolity Wi-Fi-enabled portable air conditioner delivers powerful cooling for rooms up to 550 square feet. I have provided the link to this air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. With its versatile 5-in-1 functionality, this unit goes beyond basic cooling. It includes cooling, fan-only operation, dehumidification, a sleep mode, and a 24-hour timer, offering year-round climate control from one compact system. Whether you're tackling high humidity or looking for a calm breeze during warmer days, this AC adapts to your exact comfort needs. Smart Control is a highlight feature of this model. It comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi compatibility, allowing you to operate the air conditioner remotely using the Smart Life app. You can adjust temperature settings, fan speeds, and mode preferences directly from your phone. The included remote control also provides convenience for in-room operation, letting you switch functions without getting up. With temperature settings ranging from 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 88 degrees Fahrenheit and 3 fan speeds to choose from, you can dial in the perfect level of comfort throughout the day or night. What sets the Hykolity unit apart is its thoughtful attention to comfort and user experience. The sleep mode gradually raises the temperature by 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit after an hour and 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit after 2 hours, allowing you to rest without waking up from sudden chills. An auto swing function circulates cool air evenly by oscillating up to 48 degrees, eliminating hot spots and improving overall airflow. Installation is simple thanks to the included window kit, and there's no need for permanent modifications. Ideal for renters or temporary setups. The unit is fully mobile, thanks to built-in wheels and a hidden handle, so you can move it between rooms with ease. Maintenance is equally simple. A slide-out washable filter, auto water evaporation, and a full water tank alarm all contribute to effortless operation. Plus, the self-evaporating system eliminates the need for manual draining, even in high humidity environments. This makes it not only powerful but practical, especially in areas where regular upkeep might be a challenge. The LED display is intuitive, and you can even switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius based on your preference. If you're looking for an energy-efficient, portable, and smart cooling solution that offers premium comfort features and ease of use, the Hykolity 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is an outstanding choice.